Hi, my name is Sridhar Chandra Mutipuri and I am currently doing week 6 reading part 1. Title: High Technology, Consumer Privacy and US National Security. First point, the domestic market more than tripled in value 2018 to 14, but within weeks of Snowden document report had emerged that US companies such as Dropbox, Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure were losing business. Second point, the following month Microsoft announced transport layer security for inbound and outbound email and perfect forward secrecy encryption for access to OneDrive. Third point, the asserted purpose is to protect both government data and consumer privacy. Fourth point, Microsoft General Counsel Brad Smith explained people won't use technology they don't trust. Fifth point, they have also undermined US efforts to call other countries to heel for their exploitation of international communications to gain advantage over US industry. Sixth point, the President looks to forum for advice and assistance in matters ranging from domestic, foreign and military to intelligence and economic. Seventh point, the following month a security firm Mandiant revealed that the Chinese military unit 61398 had stolen data from US companies and agencies. 8 point, further in both the EU and US such liberty interests are protected through national legislation in which a judicial remedy is provided for a breach of the right to privacy. Second link, title: US government surveillance regulation for IT company network. Ninth point, this includes trap and trace devices inserted on packet switch data networks. 10th point, instead the court approves targeting and minimization to limit the amount of information about law-abiding Americans that is intercepted, retained and disseminated. 11th point, after resigning his position on the FISA court, Judge James Robertson criticized the court for being allowed to craft a secret body of law. 12th point, this group scrutinizes the application for potential national security, law enforcement and public interest concern. 13th point, one of the national security issues that CFI US addresses is how to prevent surveillance activities by foreign firms that acquire US companies. 14th point, the transaction had to be approved by both Canadians and US authorities. 15th point, indeed some companies are clearly already taking matters into their own hands. 16th point, Apple will still able to access any user data stored on iCloud, so law enforcement cloud with a warrant compel the company to turn over iCloud files. Thank you.